Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Snapchat application. Basically, Snapchat is a social media application where you can use to text your friends, send photos without actually saving the photo on your device and stuff. It is a pretty fun application and it has a bunch of different filters and stuff. So basically, you're going to access Snapchat first of all, and on Snapchat, as you can see, you have your camera over here, a bunch of different filters you can use. If you want even more filters, you're going to go into the filter section. You're going to swipe up, and you're going to see a bunch of different more filters. There's basically millions of filters that you can find. But okay, this is basically the section where you can have take photos and use filters. Now, if you, on the bottom corner, over at the bottom, as you can see here on the screen, you can go onto. You can see over here. Here is your bunch of different things you can discover about like videos you can watch, and here you can actually see some suggestion of friends that you can add. But if you want to search for a specific friend, you're going to go on the top right corner, and you're going to see a plus with a person on it. If you click on it, you can actually search for a bunch of different friends that you want to search for, and then add them. Now, if you go onto the right, all the way to the right, to the bottom right corner, and you click on it, as you can see a bunch of different, something like YouTube Shorts and TikTok that you can access on Snapchat. It's pretty fun. Okay, now if you go onto this chat button, okay, as over here is all your friends and all the friends that you have. You can text them and also send to them snaps. Okay, basically how I can send the snap is if I go on the camera and take a photo. Okay, let's say I took a photo of something, of course, much more useful. And then I'm going to click on next, so I can send it to a bunch of different. I can select which friends I can send to. So basically, the file that I have over here, beside my friends, something called streaks. Streaks are basically photos that snaps, basically photos that I send to my friends, and they send back another one. Basically, this is you have successfully created one streak. Okay, and if you keep doing this every single day, okay, one snap a day from both sides, you're going to have this streak. It's a pretty fun number, and it adds up to scores. As you can see over here, I have 126,000. It's pretty low. Some people have like millions. So yeah, it's pretty fun. You can text and chat your friends by just clicking on their username over here, and I can chat them. I can send a voice message. I can have stickers, and there's a lot of things. As you get stickers with my Bitmoji over here. So yeah, and you can save your own snaps and stuff. So it's a pretty fun application. This is basically the fundamentals of Snapchat. On the bottom left corner, you can see your snap map, basically where where all your friends are currently now living, or are currently where they are currently. It's a pretty fun place to check out where your friends are. So yeah, this is basically how you can use Snapchat, like the most basic application you can find. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.